Hello everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for Paper House Productions. This is my last month on the design team, and this month we get to do use some of our favorite items or things that we wanted to use and haven't gotten to use yet. So this is the Color Wash collection. I'm using the Color Washed paper pad, and I have got to use this one, but this is one of my favorite things. I absolutely love this collection. It's so bright and vibrant and just colorful, and it's perfect for layouts about, you know, my teenager, and it just works out so well. So today I decided to use this, and I'm going to start by using some clear gesso on some white textured cardstock, and I'm going to spray it with some gold mist. I do use a giant like pizza box to spray into so that I don't make a mess all over, but I do end up making a mess because I can't wait for anything to dry, so you know, that happens too. But I'm just going to mist this all over. It looks like a big huge mess, but it ends up pretty much getting all covered up. So, and I'm sorry I'm a little out of frame here. I had hit my camera with my head and I didn't realize it changed the angle. I thought it just, you know, kind of made it rock a little bit. So I'm just slightly off, and you're not really missing anything because I don't add anything to the bottom of the layout anyway. So because this is wet, I decide I'm going to need to back it with something to make the page more stable, because it is going to warp quite a bit since I didn't let it dry. So I'm going to cut an inch off of, so that there's an inch, so it'll be a ½ inch off of each side. There, that's better. And then I'm going to use this watercolor paper with the orange and red and yellow and purple to back it. And this is perfect paper for backing this. I kind of am sad that I am not gutting it, but you know, sometimes you need the stability, so I'm going to sacrifice it. But I do have more, so it's fine. Each paper pack comes with, I think, 2 of each paper or 3 of each paper. So you get quite a few in there, and it's definitely worth it. So now I'm using the cut apart sheets, and I'm going to use 3x4 size. I do cut down a couple of the 4x6s into 3x4 size, but they just fit better and I can get more on there. And I want to get as many colors showing as possible. I'm kind of doing almost a rainbow effect, but not really in a rainbow order, I guess. So while I'm thinking about the cards, I'm going to adhere the background down. And so the gold mist is a really great match to the gold foiling on the cards, and so that's why I did that, is just to try to pull in that gold foiling a little bit. So I'm just working on my kind of layout here where I want the cards to go, and I decided that those 2 cards on that side were a little not colorful enough, so I'm pulling in some more vibrant colors. And then I'm going to start adhering these down. I'm going to use this splatter background. It's a 4x6 card. I'm going to use it to back my photo on so that there's some colors coming around the edge of the photo, but not too much, because I do kind of want like the white background around my photo there. And then I'm going to start adhering down these cards. Oh, I'm popping my photo up on some foam first, because I definitely want that to kind of stand out a little bit from the papers. Now this photo is just a funny picture of my daughter. It's a Snapchat filter. She has waffle ears, and I was able to pull like the perfect faux enamel stickers. They are the brunch faux enamel stickers from Paper House, and they are perfect. I mean, they have waffles on them, they have all sorts of breakfast foods, anything that you would have during brunch, and so I decided to use those as my embellishments. And so you see I pulled them out here, and I was going to start sticking them down, and then I do this one that says brunch so hard, and then I decided I should put my title down first and then add these as the embellishments around it. And these have the gorgeous gold foiling as well, and I'm just popping a couple of them up on some foam adhesive just to give it a little bit of dimension here and there. And again, the photo has nothing to do with brunch, it's just because she has Snapchat waffle ears, so why not? So I decided to go with the title, I Love You a Waffle Lot, and I actually got that from Christy because I was struggling with what to call this, and so it was perfect. It adds just the right, you know, touch of humor that waffle ears deserve. I did pull in some black alpha from my stash just because I wanted another kind of contrast there. I do use the White Love cardstock sticker, and all of these stickers, the tile stickers and the White Love cardstock sticker, came from the sticker sheet that comes with the paper pad. The colors were just right on, of course, because they came with the papers. So I felt like I needed a kind of black element on this page because there is that dark part of the photo, and so just adding this word waffle in black was the perfect amount of contrast. And those tile stickers are absolutely, like, they're a little bit bigger than average tile stickers, but they're perfect because you can read them better and they stand out more, so they're like the right weight for this page. So I pulled up the W from the waffle and I added the waffle sticker underneath it because I thought that would be perfect. And then I'm adding a bunch of other ones. There's a plate of pancakes, some bacon, eggs, a croissant, strawberries, this teapot. I do add the mimosa and the Bloody Mary. Not that my daughter is drinking these things, but because I needed a couple more elements and they were the right colors. So this is not a video condoning underage drinking in any way, shape, or form. So just working on this here, and I am going to add some more adhesive to the tile stickers and that love sticker just because I've pulled them up and moved them around a few times, so they're not, I just want to make sure they're going to stay. And I had popped that egg up on some fun foam. Now I'm just adhering these down, and that's pretty much going to be the end of the layout. I do, like I said, I do add those two glasses of things on either side of the photo, and then that's going to be it. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Head on over to the blog for more specifics, and remember you can always use my code DaisyPH18 to get 15% off your next purchase in the store. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!